Okay, 750 watt Aventon level. And it's definitely got some power already. I already feel the power. You know, like wow, right off the get-go, it's got some power. All right, people, we're checking out the Delfast Top 3.0. Heard a lot about it. Looks a lot like my Cab Eagle, and we're gonna check her out. See what she's all about. Okay. Badass. All right, I'm gonna check it out. Thank you. All right, people.
Want the full speed mode?
Sure. Yeah.
Now 50 miles. Be careful. Use only 2 brakes together.
Okay. Thanks. All right, people. We're on the Delfast Top 3i, which apparently is like the record-breaking bike that can go like 17,000 miles. You can go across the United States and back twice on one charge.
This is your front brake, rear brake. Rear brake has regen, so if this is pulled at all, no throttle.
Okay.
Headlight, turn signals, horn.
Bionics, how badass is this? How badass is this? Got eco mode, normal mode, and sport mode. You wanted me to start in eco mode. I'm like, okay, thanks. I'll do that. This thing's comfortable as hell, people. Yeah, it's just solid. So solid. Feels amazing. It's got regen. Oh boy. Oh my god. He said 3,000 peak, 1,500 watt, 3,000, and it's got it. Trust me, this thing's got some freaking power to it. People want to be me. I'm just kidding. But I was recognized. How badass is that? Some guy saw me, and he's like, dude, you have a YouTube channel. And I said, yeah. And he says, what's your name? The Fricker Shredder. And he just smiles. He goes, that's right. I watch you. So, there you have it, people.
Okay. So you don't have to
I am known. I'm a known quantity. I really want to try juice and see if I can get on a Hyper Scrambler too. Go Cycles. Very cool. Well, these things are cool. These things are fun looking. You know? Very cool looking. Alright, people, I don't know if you saw my shirt before, but I'm representing. You know, I got my Fricker Shredder shirt on. We're at the expo. We're checking out all the different vendors. We're riding bikes. And exciting stuff. I got my Aventon hat on. And we're gonna see. So Razor's got a, that's funny. Razor, which basically has toys. They've got all these people riding the Razor Rambler that I had. That little one. See this kid back here with one? Everybody's riding these things around. And
we'll take a picture.
Everybody's riding those things. They're fun. But it's like they're kind of like trying to get into the e-bike game, you know what I mean? Just interesting. And then you got Magnum. You got Zugo, Aventon, Super 73 down there. And we're gonna go check out. This is where all the people you test ride bikes. And all these manufacturers have booths over here where you actually see the bikes. Okay? So we're gonna go check those out. Okay, we're gonna look at some bikes. This is the Jackrabbit bike. Very cool little bike. I rode one. It's fun. Very small. Very narrow. Very short front to back form factor. And
it's even FAA compliant.
Really cool bike.
No, it doesn't fold.
Really small.
Yeah.
Very small. Okay. Then I rode some Go Cycles. These are pretty cool bikes too. Carbon fiber. High-end bikes. Very cool.
Check this out for it. Got one of his bikes. I'm still figuring it out.
Very cool bikes. Like those a lot. Big fan of those. Then V-Volt. I've got these. I have one of these and just broke on me. I don't know what the hell these are. These little throwback electric mini bikes? Really? Really?
You don't want me riding on this thing anyway. You should have seen me back over there. Almost kicked me out of here. Yeah, cool. You going around there. I'm good.
72-volt battery. Look at that shit, people. Ding Moto. Wow. Even the electrics, or even the mini bikes from years ago are coming back now as freaking electric. That's crazy. There's Razor with their little bikes. Flyer, I never heard of him.
To Cameron, our buddy back here.
I don't know what the hell this is. Cool little scooter though, huh? A little go-kart, huh?
I just want to see that, you know. Yeah, the other one.
Burley?
Same size.
What's this called?
Same size,
Ozark, I don't even know who the hell they are. Wild Side, interesting, never heard of them. A lot of manufacturers this year. A lot of people I never heard of before, you know?
So if you have a charger at your own home, a lot of times,
Let's say you're charging your car.
Yeah, a lot of manufacturers I never heard of before. Which is interesting. Here's the expo, people. Los Angeles. A lot of people, a lot of bikes, a lot of companies. Way more manufacturers this year than last time. And these are like freaking electric underwater scooters. How freaking cool is that? You know?
Yeah, so like we have like a more of a commercial use for
How freaking cool is this? Are you serious?
We have like ocean rescue teams use them.
They're giving them away, I take it. Handlebar jack, what the hell's that? Oh yeah, I have them. I have this little handlebar thing. See, I have these.
oh, you have. Hey, good
I like them a lot. Very cool. Here's the Delfast. I tried that earlier. Cool bike. Definitely a motorcycle, not a bike. We got DOS Kit NCM. Oh, these are. Somebody's got their
That's our Moscow Plus.
No idea what the hell that is. Oh, electric foil surfboard. Is that something? And this is OKAI. I never heard of these.
Just got off.
Got a good drive full suspension. That was pretty cool. We got some skateboards. Everybody's got a skateboard. Everybody likes skateboards. I don't know. Are you kidding? Okay. People don't realize who this is. This is Swear Reynolds. He's the big bad LA skate guy. Runs the show. Everybody follows him. He's always first. Dude, what are you working for these people?
I ride a Metro, so I came over to help them out a little bit.
How much are they paying you?
They needed it. They're paying me in free lunch.
So Swarovski. Zugo. I got some car manufacturers here. This is a cool little something. How badass is this? That's the guy's name.
This is exciting.
That's awesome.
Hang out here, I'm gonna take it.
Very cool stuff, people. Here's some 73 booth. There's a ZX. This is what I used to have. It's 73R. Oh, no, actually, it's RX now. They just changed it. Yeah, it's just different colors now. Okay. And then over here, we've got this little thing. Whatever the heck this is. This is pretty cool. Throw back to the 70s. You got the skateboard rack. It's one of the new Super 73 RX models. Cool color. Here's the CX1. The infamous motorcycle that they're coming out with. I don't know. I'm still skeptical, people. It's like it's a bike company putting out a motorcycle. So I don't know. We'll see. Here's the hooligan version. The hell is it? Yeah, I gotta check those things out. We ran into Sawyer Reynolds. Seriously? So we got Magnum. Cool looking bikes, nice styling. Some of it's like really cool, like the leather and stuff. Like, check this out. Nice leather and stuff. Nice wood. Got really nice styling. I like the styling a lot. So check that out. That's the top of some of these bikes. Going with style. So, juiced. We checked those out already. These are the frickin' zoos. Big fan of those. Like them a lot. My bike. Got one. Tower electric bikes. These look like cruiser bikes. Interesting, it's got the battery in the back behind the seat. Everybody's got rear hub, man. Everybody's got rear hub wheels. Or rear hub motors, everybody. It's called mock wheel. So everybody's got this freaking bike. Everybody's got the same bike. They just changed it. This was actually a mid-drive. Wow. Look at that. Interesting. All their bikes are mid, no. That's mid-drive too. Kind of look at the specs on that. That's interesting. Wow. Got our EUCs. Cycle board, I'm a big fan. I had one. Hurt my knees, almost died. Scooters. A lot of stuff here, people. A lot of happenings. Aventon, one of my favorite brands. I've ridden all these now. There's the Aventon Adventure all folded up. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And then whatever this is, I have no idea what this is called. NIU, never heard of this. Looks like dual batteries. Check that out. And we got this freaking space age thing. What the hell this is?
I want hard sounds.
Yes, thank you very yes, and a light show, right?
Interesting stuff, people. A lot of stuff happens. A lot of very interesting things. From being here 6 months ago to this one, I think it was 6 months ago, a lot of things have changed. A lot more bikes at 52 volt. Bikes are starting to come out with styling. Seeing some front hub motors. Still don't see a proliferation of mid-drives, which we should. I wish there were still more 52 volt motors. You got carbon fiber starting to be a thing. And
Yeah, bro.
you hanging by yourself?
I'm just walking around
Yeah,
getting
me
some
too.
B-roll.
Me too.
That content, bro.
Dude, I rode 5 Aventon bikes, so I wanted to do a video on all the Aventons.
Nice.
And then I had it in time warp the whole time. I go back and look at it.
No, that's actually, dude, it's so fucking frustrating. And you know, if you refilmed it, it wouldn't be the same.
I did. I went back and refilmed the whole goddamn thing.
That's
So I was there for like an hour and a half. I'm like, I can't not do it. Such a pain in the ass. I know, it's all good. Yeah.
hella nice out here, though.
It's nice. There's a lot going on. Have you been riding stuff?
Yeah, well, I came yesterday for
Oh, you did?
Day, so they were like,
Oh.
I did all my test rides yesterday because there were no lines. And then today I'm just kind of getting content, you know?
So you wearing that for the camera or for your face?
What was that?
Are you wearing this for the camera?
Camera. And maybe face too. But just yeah.
Come down to the Hoyt booth.
Oh, okay. I'll be there.
I'm gonna go get something to eat, man. Good to see you, okay?
Fuck yeah, bro.
Take care of yourself.
Hey, what's going on?
Saranster, people. Isn't that crazy? Famous people. A lot of shit happening here. It's time to go bathroom. Can you say bathroom? We got Onyx and their cool new City 2, which I rode. We got Plum that never get back to you when you call them or write them an email ever. We got tractors now, people. Electric tractors. The world's most powerful compact electric tractor. And then we got this. Are you serious right now? Seriously. We've got freaking what do you call this thing? Look at this, a freaking snowmobile. Are you serious?
Yeah, totally. And
Freaking snowmobile. Are you kidding me? shit, people. My God. Everything. Everything is good. Look at this shit. Mega golf cart for the whole freaking block. What, crazy? Cars, of course. Bikes around the, look at the shred. They're using my freaking branding. Alright. And then, I don't know what the hell this is. This is the car section. Anyway, there's all kinds of shit here, people. It's cool stuff. That's gonna be a wrap. Just gotta get something to eat. Starving. Representing. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time. God bless. Peace out.